Hey traders, welcome to the Mistrade Daily Report. Monday today after the close. What a great day. A lot of range today, 29.25 points. We saw some support, some major support areas, and of course we had some hard rally. Basically we had two-sided trade today, which was very nice. Now let's take a look at this. In the Globex session, the sellers were getting short down here, and they were very short, testing that 23 level, that weekly S1 down there at 23.50. We talked about that area at 23 to 26 the other day, and of course we went down and tested that. And then in the regular trading hours, we went down again to the 1128.75, rejected that level, and then rallied the rest of the day and had a really hard rally into the close today and closed at the highs. Now the rally, there was some news out, some rumors, and I'll call them rumors, not news, but there were rumors about the Chinese buying a bunch of bonds and buying more bonds. I believe it was the French bonds and not the U.S. bonds. And but the bottom line is, it doesn't matter what they're buying. What matters is that you're not trading rumors. You're trading your chart. You're trading what you're seeing, and that's most important, along with good risk-reward ratio or management, and again, following your stops. Okay, guys, preserve your capital. If you're not sure which way the market's going to go, then that's a sign of staying on the sidelines. So let's take a look at some levels here. To the downside, we talked about that 23 to 26 level. That now is going to become a major area. We break that, then we pretty much got the 910, or excuse me, the 1110 to the 1114, 1110 to 1114. Below that, of course, we have the 1095s. We talked about the 1095s. I anticipate we still will see the 1095s. We'll see down in the 10 range somewhere. The bears are not done with this yet, guys. We have to really rally hard. We got a lot of the wood to chop to the upside. We have to get above this 1200 range before the bulls are really going to feel comfortable with buying this thing. So levels to the upside. I was trying to think we were going to get the 58s here before close, 58.5s. I was tweeting. We didn't get it. To the upside right now, we have the 60 to 63 level. Really like that level. I suspect we'll test that in the Globex range, or in the Globex session. And then, of course, above that we have 68 all the way up to 74. But you could be pretty comfortable from 68 to 70 level. And then, of course, above that, the 74s, guys. I like the 74s up there. That's a great level. And then those should be enough to watch. If we climb that high in Globex and start pumping this thing up, then boy, this thing could run back up to the at 97 to 2001, or excuse me, 12,001 level. So there's a few levels, guys. Be sure to be very cautious when in these markets. These are whippy markets. They are going back and forth, and there's a lot of uncertainty still in here. The bears are in control. This still is a weak market. By no means, as I showed you in this pattern, just coming back into range means we're going to go back and test the top of the range. That doesn't mean that. We have some wood to chop here. I suspect above these highs, the 1198, and then we had a Globex, I believe it was 1203. Above those levels, and then there's a chance of that. But right now, below that, we're looking to the downside. As they say, sell the rips on these things. Now, guys, if you're not working with anybody, I got to tell you, we have got some free services over at pittrades.com you need to take advantage of. Visit pittrades.com, scroll down. We have 3 different services. You can get our free trade alerts and newsletter. You'll get all kinds of good free stuff, information, education, and also some free calls in there. And then, of course, if you want, there's a 2-week trial to our alerts. You can get some swing trade setups, and we've been having some good ones the last few weeks. We've gotten a lot of 10-point runners. We even had a 44-point runner. So, as we say, trade less, earn more, preserve your money, guys. Sit on the sidelines until you find a good one. We give you these great levels here, and we give you these great areas to scale out of. And the reason we give them so far apart is so you can get larger trades and stuff like that and have good targets. So with that, trade well tomorrow. Sit on the sidelines the first 30 minutes, and then we shall talk to you later. Take care, guys.